Are you still spending hours after every client call creating slide decks and reports from scratch? Stop wasting your time. I found an invisible AI tool that quietly records your meetings and instantly transforms the conversations into fully designed presentations and data reports. Let's take a look. All right, everyone, get ready. We're going to see how to impress your clients with TickNote Cloud. So first, what we're going to do is capture high-quality audio from a browser tab. This is a mock virtual call, and during virtual calls, we're using this tool which avoids intrusive AI bots, so they're not going to know that you're recording. They might not even realize how you're coming up with all this. So don't worry, this is completely private, distraction-free, professional, and discreet. So now we're just going recording. So we've got our Google Meet tab open, then we've added the TickNote Cloud extension to the Chrome browser as an extension. Then we start recording. Here we can see the participant list, and there are no bots. How brilliant is that? Now we can see the real-time, accurate transcript in the side panel. So you can see all the recordings here on the left-hand side. Start a new project here. I'm going to go ahead and name my project YT Ranker Demo. You can choose an icon if you like, and then boom. As soon as you finish your call, TickNote Cloud's incredibly powerful shadow agent gets to work. It's no longer just a simple chat box. Shadow creates concise summaries and actionable to-do lists that capture the key points from meetings or calls with high accuracy. The Shadow agent acts as your personal analyst and designer, capable of generating beautiful visual pages, full PowerPoint presentations, and even comprehensive data analysis reports. So it's not just about a text summary. Anyone can do that. This can take the raw meeting recordings, upload the documents, and instantly create interactive HTML slides from them. So here we can see, right here, I've got my transcripts. You can go ahead and play that. We can look through the transcript. Everything's done. So in my opinion, this is a massive time saver for web-based presentations. You can do a presentation webinar that allows you to instantly share a sleek, clickable, and very easy to use slide deck via a simple browser link without needing PowerPoint. So you can uninstall PowerPoint, and now we can come here to the Shadow agent, and then I just tell it what I want to do. Summarize the document, search for information. If I want it to edit or organize the files, it can do everything essentially, and then I just give it a command. Oh, read it. Then I could just say, hey, build the deck, build the slide deck, and it's just like an LLM. Give it the instructions and it goes ahead and creates that. So here we can see the recommendation. So I have my new project, YT Ranker Demo. We can see that it's in the demo folder. Then I have the Shadow Agent workspace inside the TickNote Cloud dashboard. Then I'll just go ahead, grab my transcript, and boom, drop it right here. I ask it to make slides, and look, we've got it already. I can see here, based on the transcript uploaded from this document, I created a 6-slide interactive HTML presentation, and I just used a minimal tech aesthetic, a dark background, electric blue accents, large bold headlines, one key idea per slide so it's easy to digest, smooth fade-in transitions, and it includes the title slide, 3 key insight slides, and action items in a closing slide. So this looks polished, it looks professional, it's good to go. So if you work with international clients or a global team, this breaks down every barrier. You can instantly translate your finished meeting assets into over 120 languages. That's absolutely amazing. You can do it in English, Spanish, you can do it in French. So if you have multiple different clients, you can go ahead and translate that. So we can see all of the information on the left-hand side, and we can see our Shadow agent on the right. Now, while viewing your generated summary or transcript in the TickNote Cloud dashboard, you can go ahead, click on the dot, and if you want, you can see the 3 dots up there. You can translate it, and you can choose a destination from the drop-down menu, Spanish, German, Deutsch. And we can also see right here that the summary and transcript will instantly convert. So it's very, very, very simple to do. So you can go ahead and generate it right here. So I'm just having the agent generate, and I can give it commands just like I normally would on any LLM. And here we can see the marketing sales strategy for the base business. So it looks good, the clearest signal, don't get confused. So 1 key idea per slide. We're taking a look at slide 2. Looks really, really good. Alignment matters just as much as the decision itself. So you can show this to your entire audience, business executives included. If you have a portfolio for a new company, this is extremely helpful. And if you hold in-person meetings, TickNote Cloud offers physical smart cards and pods that let you record offline and sync to your cloud account as soon as you connect. And it completely automates the administrative side of your job, recording, translating, summarizing, so you can just focus on what you do best, which is creating brilliant presentations. Now here we can download. As I mentioned, we can translate into a variety of different languages. Select a destination or a language from the drop-down, like German, Deutsch, Spanish, and there you go. And here you can see that I've switched it to Spanish. So choose your preferred language, Italian, German, Spanish, Japanese. You can download it in Spanish, you can download it in German. Just click the dots to make it happen. So that's how easy it is to use in different languages if you have an audience that prefers to speak in other languages. Let me go ahead and do that again, and we can translate it once more. It only takes a second. Now we've got it in Sprechen Sie Deutsch. We've got it in German. Have a look at that. It's really, really simple to do. It's really, really easy to do. I don't speak German, but if your audience does, you can do it here. So a meeting-centered workspace gets your work done for you. You can see all the features here, guys. AI translation, summaries, everything. Collaborative workspace. If you want to do it for educators, finance professionals, or if there's an industry you're passionate about and you want to create an amazing presentation, you can automatically turn those tasks into work. Stop wasting time on manual busy work. Let the AI take care of your meeting analysis. Check the description below and set up your account. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.